Welcome to the iOS Blacksmith. In this series, the Beginner's Guide, we will take a look at creating a simple application displaying a bunch of food items. We will take a look at creating a launch screen, which will serve as a screen to show to the user as the app is being launched. Once that is done, we are going to make a transition animation which will be used as the launch screen disappears and we want to present the home screen to our users. Our home screen will be displaying the items, they will be animated as they appear, and the entire section is scrollable. Tapping on one of the items will open the detail screen where we will have the title and a header. In the lower section we are going to have a web view which will be displaying a predefined URL link. Going back to our app, we can mark any of our items as favorite by clicking on the star icon, and that means they will show up in the second tab under the favorite section. Besides marking our items as favorite, we can also swipe to delete them or click the star icon to remove them from the list. When there are no items left, we will have a simple empty screen with a message. The last screen will be an about section. It will feature an image, a few labels and a URL link, and it will be scrollable as well. Our UI will be done using the storyboards and zip files. So even though if later on you will be doing all of your UI just purely in code, it is good that you get to know the storyboards and how the constraints can be set up using a what you see is what you get user interface, also some of the items that are available and settings. In this guide you will get to know the basic building blocks to making an app. They are most commonly used items and will help you regardless of what kind of a project you will be working on in the future. And with that, let's get started.